Nicholas Galitzine is a British actor. On May 29, 2024, it was announced that he has been cast as He-Man for the upcoming live-action movie reboot of Masters of the Universe. In 2015, he appeared in one episode of the TV series Legends. He was named a star of Tomorrow by Screen International. In 2016, he starred in the American drama High Strung, in which he played a young violinist who performs in a subway station. He played a young closeted gay student in the Irish comedy drama Handsome Devil, which was later nominated for 5 awards at the 15th Irish Film and Television Awards. In 2024, Galitzine starred as George Villiers in the Sky Studios' historical psychodrama series Mary and George alongside Julianne Moore. The 7-episode series released on Sky Atlantic in the UK and Binge in Australia on 5 March 2024 and released for streaming on Stars in the US on 5 April 2024. In 2023, Galitzine portrayed high school football player Jeff in Emma Seligman's sex comedy film Bottoms. He also starred as one of the leads in the gay romantic comedy film Red, White and Royal Blue. Based on the 2019 novel of the same name, he portrays the fictional Prince Henry of England opposite Taylor Jacker Paris. In 2020, he played the bisexual teenager Timmy in The Craft Legacy, which is a sequel to The Craft. In 2021, he played Prince Robert in the musical film Cinderella, appearing on 7 songs on the soundtrack of movie. His debut single Comfort was released on 24 June 2022. He also starred in the Netflix movie Purple Hearts, which was released on 29 July 2022. In 2015, he appeared in one episode of the TV series Legends. He was named a star of Tomorrow by Screen International. In 2016, he starred in the American drama High Strung, in which he played a young violinist who performs in a subway station. He played a young closeted gay student in the Irish comedy drama Handsome Devil, which was later nominated for 5 awards at the 15th Irish Film and Television Awards. In 2017, he took part in the New Zealand mystery drama The Changeover. In The Watcher in the Woods, he played opposite the Academy Award-winning American actress Angelica Huston. Galitzine was cast for his first major TV role in the Netflix horror drama series Chambers 22. In 2019, he played in the drama film Share.